Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a simple yet incredibly useful product, the Echogear Outlet Shelf for Decora and GFCI outlets. Whether you need a place to rest your smart speaker, charge your phone, or just clear up some counter space, this little shelf might be just what you need. Let's dive into the details. So here's what you get in the box. You get a new outlet shelf itself, a new outlet cover with the integrated shelf, and all of the screws that you'll need for installation. The build quality is really solid and the shelf feels sturdy right out of the box. It's designed to hold up to 10 pounds, which is more than enough for most small devices. So now let's talk about the installation. One of the best things about the Echogear Outlet Shelf is how easy it is to set up. There's no need for any special tools, you just need to remove your existing outlet cover and replace it with this one. You tighten up a couple of screws and that's it, and you're done. I think that the whole process took me less than 5 minutes, and as you can see, it's a perfect fit. The shelf sits securely above the outlet and is ready to hold whatever devices you may need. So let's take a look at what makes this shelf so sturdy. First off, as I mentioned, it's designed to hold up to 10 pounds, which means that it can easily support small speakers, phones, or even a small tablet. Here in my home office, you can see that I'm using it to hold my wireless router and a network-attached storage device. The Echogear Outlet Shelf is also perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, and really anywhere that you need a little extra storage. Here in my bathroom, I installed one to hold my electric shaver, my electric toothbrush, my toothpaste, and my floss. Another great feature is the integrated cable management channel. This keeps your cords neat and out of the way and prevents that messy, cluttered look that we're all trying to avoid. What I love most about this device is how it helps you declutter your space. By moving your devices onto this shelf, you free up space for other things while keeping your gadgets easily accessible. Okay, so what's the verdict? To me, the Echogear Outlet Shelf is a small investment that makes a big difference in organizing your space. It's sturdy, easy to install, and it blends seamlessly with your existing outlets. If you're looking for a practical way to keep your devices off of the counter and out of the way, I highly recommend that you give it a try. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this review to be helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tips. And if you're ready to pick up one of these shelves for yourself, check out the link below in the description section. As always, drop any questions you have in the comments, and I'm here to help. See you in the next video. Thanks again, and as always, I'm Sean Dillman.